All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the weekend. I got worked on a Mark 8 today. I don't know if y'all have seen one. It's the first time I've seen one of these. That's a nice looking amplifier. I bet back in the day this thing was money, man. Got some chrome face. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit. The inside's gonna get cleaned up. That's the last thing I'll do for the customers. Get in there with a long handle brush and make sure I don't mess anything up because there's very sensitive components in there, very brittle in some cases. But dust is not a friend of these old school amplifiers, so you got to be careful. So I'm going to get all that out of there. These tubes are 17 Delta 06 Bravos, equivalent of a 17 Golf Whiskey 6. There's 8 of them in line in series, okay? Or actually in parallel. It's a straight 8, if you will. We had a problem with the meter. Meter was busted out. Got that re-glued in. We had an input issue, and I put a new inductor in there. Okay, 1.5 microhenry inductor in there. Matched it very good. What we had in there before was blown. It was shorted. We had like a 1 1/4 to 1.5 watt input reflect. We got that squared away. We also had for the fan didn't work, because one of the regulators in there's a regulator underneath the board, a 12-volt regulator, that the base connector, the base tab on the regulator was broken off, maybe just from flexing the cabinet or something like that. But I noticed that, resoldered it, good to go, fan works fine, okay? So just to give you a walkthrough of it real quick, we've got the power on. Okay, there it is. Just turn it on. You got high, low. Red light means high. We got a strength meter. See the light there? Oh, there it is. Yep, see the light's on. But it works in both settings. It's just one setting turns the light on, and it gives it a little bit more for some reason. I don't understand that, but it doesn't matter. This is all. You can use this meter to tune this amplifier. You tune the load and tune, or plate and load, and you look for maximum forward gain. Boom, you're good to go. Sideband works fine. The sideband delay works. I'll show you that real quick. It's in sideband mode. All right, AM. See that? And you got standby. Shouldn't key it all. All right. All right, so anyway, we're good to go here. This thing's working fine. What else? So fan, meter, and input tune. I think we're good. All I gotta do now is clean it up. All right, so 5-watt slug in reverse. That'll be this meter right here. Check out the input tune, and what do we got? We're on low. Put it on high. Input tune. Oh, just a little bit over 1/4 watt of input reflect. And again, it was like a 1 1/4 on high before I started messing with it. We got a 1,000-watt scale at the top, full deflection, 1,000 watts, looking right around that 0.6 at the top right corner. That's about 600 watts. No audio, so almost 700. All right. On low, we've got I think it's like 300, something like that. Input reflect. Oh, a little bit less than 1/4 this time. Oh, audio. 400. So she's working good, man. She's working great. I can't complain. I think the customer is going to be happy. We'll get it cleaned up, put the lid on it. And if y'all got any questions about the 17 Delta 06 Bravos tubes, let me know. I'll see what I can do for you. But yeah, we'll get it cleaned up, and she's ready to rock and roll. Y'all have a good weekend. Bumping on you later. 64 Baltimore. I'll see you. Bye.